Yellow and blue make green. In this case, mixing 2 cups of yellow paint and 3.5 cups of blue paint make this shade of green. Find a mixture that will make the same shade of green but a smaller amount. We could mix half the amount of yellow paint and half the amount of blue paint. That would give us the same shade of green but a smaller amount. Half of 2 cups of yellow would be 1 cup of yellow. Half of these 2 cups of blue would be 1 cup of blue. Half of this 1 cup of blue would be half a cup of blue. And half of this half a cup of blue would be a 1/4 cup. So the new mixture would be 1 cup of yellow paint and 1 7/75 of a cup of blue paint, or 1 3/4 cups of blue paint. Find a mixture that will make the same shade of green but a larger amount. One easy way would be multiply each color by 10. 2 cups of yellow paint become 20 cups of yellow paint, and 3 5/10 cups of blue paint becomes 35 cups of blue paint. So this larger mixture would be 20 cups of yellow paint and 35 cups of blue paint. To keep the same shade of green but have a larger amount, we kept the same ratio, we just added 10 times more of each color. Find a mixture that will make a bluer shade of green. So now we're not going to have the same ratio. To make a bluer shade of green, we need to increase the ratio of blue to yellow. The number of cups of yellow paint will remain the same, but we'll increase the number of blue cups of paint. To make a bluer shade of green, we'll use 2 cups of yellow paint and 5 cups of blue paint. Find a mixture that will make a more yellowish color green. To make a more yellowish green color, we'd have to increase the ratio of yellow to blue. To increase the ratio of yellow paint to blue paint, we can either increase the amount of yellow paint, or we can decrease the amount of blue paint, or we can do a combination of the two. In this example, I used 3 cups of yellow paint and 3 cups of blue paint to make a more yellowish color green.